So what Whittaker suggested in 1969 as a say 5 kingdom classification. So as he kept Plantae, Animalia, Monera and Protista as the same, but he simply did a very huge group of Plantae. It used to be in the Plantae group. He placed that group at the kingdom level itself, and he suggested the name of that kingdom as Fungi kingdom. So as finally now we are having a 5 kingdom classification, which is having say Monera as a most primitive kind of organism, then little bit complex Protista, then and from that Protista it is suggested that the kingdom Plantae, Animalia and Fungi are going to get developed. So as now the 5 kingdom classification is going to have 5 kingdoms as a Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia and Fungi. Now this is what is the rough classification, or this is what is the rough idea about the 5 kingdom classification. Whereas now actually which are the principles which will be utilized for having that entire 5 kingdom classification, and which was suggested by Whittaker in 1969, it was much obvious revised, that we are going to learn now. So as now in that 5 kingdom classification, I repeat that there are 5 kingdoms, most primitive Monera, then comes Protista, then kingdom Plantae, Animalia and Fungi. Now in this 5 kingdom classification which was suggested by Whittaker, he suggested 4 basic principles for the say division of different kingdoms. Which are that 4 basic principles? That's the very first, cell organization, that whether that organism's body cells are made up of prokaryotic cell or a eukaryotic cell. So as we can have prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Whereas the second, that number of cell or cells, that whether the organism's body is made up of just a single cell or it is a multicellular organism, 2 or more cells in it. Whereas the third, very important, at the higher kingdom classification, there's a mode of nutrition. Now which are different mode of nutrition? It can be either autotrophs, which are going to produce their own food material, or it can be heterotrophs, that which is depend on the say producers for their food. In heterotrophy or in heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we are going to have 2 categories, that is either is absorption of digested food material or say ingestion of entire food. Depends on that, we are going to have 2 different groups. Whereas now coming to the fourth, there is the ecological role, that because of the producers or because of the autotrophy and heterotrophy, they are going to play different roles in a ecological succession. That is the producers and then the say consumers and then the decomposers. These are the 3 different roles that say autotrophs, they will be always producers, whereas in heterotrophy mode of nutrition, we are going to have these 2 roles now, that is either it will be decomposition of food material or it will be consumption of it. So depend on that, we are going to have producer, consumers and say decomposers as a role say in case of ecological succession. Now depends on, now let's check the characters. There is this Monera group is going to be very important as a most primitive type of group, whereas there will be either uni or multicellular organisms, but very important, that is all of them are always prokaryotes. So this Whittaker's 5 kingdom classification is having this merit, that is all prokaryotes were separated in a whole one kingdom. Whereas now these are the 2 characters, prokaryotes, but they can be unicellular or multicellular, whereas say according to mode of nutrition they can be either autotrophic or heterotrophic, or ecological role, either they can be producers, consumers, decomposers, whatever. Whereas now coming to Protista, which is a very important group as such, or a very important kingdom, because it is going to show some characters of Monera, some characters of Protista likewise, that this Protista is going to have the most important character, that they will be always unicellular organisms. Whereas all unicellular organisms which are eukaryotes are coming in the Protista. So if at all organism is unicellular, plus eukaryote, it will be always placed in a protista. Whereas now this protista also shows say all the three different types of mode of nutrition, two different modes of nutrition, that's either autotroph or heterotroph. In heterotroph, both of them, there's either say absorption or ingestion. Whereas very important mode of nutrition, it is going to show all the three: producers, consumers and decomposers. Whereas especially these two characters are very well utilized for differentiating fungi, plantae and animalia. Now kingdom plantae, all of us we know that is they are strictly autotrophs. So as they are acting as a consumers, they are acting as a producers, whereas they are all of them are multicellular and eukaryotes. The most important character of plantae that they are autotrophs. Whereas just opposite to plantae, it will be animalia. In animalia, we are going to get multicellular eukaryotes, but we will be getting heterotrophs, whereas they will be always consumers. Whereas which kind of consumers they are? That is, they are going to say ingest the food. These are the very important characters of animalia. Whereas in fungi, we may get some of them as unicellular and many of them or majority of them as multicellular eukaryotes, whereas they are heterotrophs, and in heterotrophs they are going to show absorption as a mode of nutrition, that they are going to do, majority of them, they are going to do extracellular digestion, and such digested food material will be absorbed back. So that's why absorption. Whereas they are going to play a very interesting role in ecological succession, that is, they are the decomposers. So as because of these different characters, this 5 kingdom classification is up till now the most successful type of classification. Whereas no doubt it is going to have two demerits also. Which are that two demerits? That's the very first demerit, that is viruses doesn't have any place over here in either of a kingdom. Whereas the second, that is a protista group, has become very heterogeneous. One cannot expect the organism with cell and with cell wall and without cell wall in a same group. Organisms who are autotrophs and heterotrophs in a same group. So it is little bit hard to digest the protista as it is becoming.
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे.